Hey y'all, I know, it's been a minute. I've been laying real low this year. I've been just focusing on me, chilling, been focusing on my skincare. I started a business this year. I'll tell you about that in another video. But yeah, I know, I've really been laying real low on YouTube this year, but I'm back. I want to talk to you guys more about what I've been doing with my skincare. As y'all can see, your girl is glowing. In saying that, I've also been focusing on my body care too, and that's what this video is about today. I'm going to introduce you guys to a new product I cannot wait to tell you about, and I cannot wait to start trying. I've just been trying to like I worked on the inner me all last year. I started therapy and stuff, so this year I'm focusing on the outer me too. So you guys might have heard of Sol de Janeiro before. They have the Brazilian Boom Boom cream that is super popular. You see it all over Sephora. It's like a firming cream that everybody was in love with. Just a little backstory on the brand. It is Brazilian inspired products. They have hair care, body, beauty, and fragrance products. And today I have the Boom Boom body oil. So I can't wait to tell you about this. We're gonna get into this first impressions unboxing. Let's get into opening this oil. If y'all can hear that, I'm so sorry. I got another puppy. Yes, another puppy. And yeah, she ready to go outside and play. So it is open. Let's see. So the scent is described on the website as gourmand pistachio. Why do I struggle with that word? And salted caramel. I will definitely say I smell a caramel scent. It's like a light sweet caramel scent. I'm not quite sure what pistachio and gourmand smells like, but it is a light fragrance, and it definitely smells like caramel. I will give it that. And again, this is a body cream, so I'm going to be applying it to my neck, my arms, and my body, and we'll just walk out through the texture. Okay, I like how it came out. It didn't come out too loose. Definitely a thicker oil. Alright, so this is the arm I've applied it to. Very smooth, very soft. It's not greasy at all. Like, my hands are not greasy. It's just moisturized and hydrated. It feels really good. And this is the other arm I have yet to apply any to. And you can see a clear difference. So this oil is supposed to smooth skin out, soften it, improve the elasticity, make it a lot tighter. As far as the skin, my skin just feels really silky and hydrated and soft right now on this arm. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some to the other arm. And see how it goes on really rich. And the more you rub it in, it just absorbs right into the skin. That's one thing about oil. Sometimes it'll like sit on my skin and feel almost kind of gritty. This is super silky right now. And I'm like, I'm in love with this glow. This is about to be my new go-to summer oil. So you can apply this oil twice a day in the mornings and in the evening on dry or wet skin. When you do apply it, you apply it in sweeping motions or in circular motions if you're applying it to your abdomen. The reason why you're doing that is because you want to massage it into your skin, because like I said, this is supposed to help with skin elasticity and help with firmness and tightening. And I can't stop rubbing my skin. That's why I keep doing this. It's really silky, you guys. One area in particular I'm really curious to see how it does is on my neck, because I don't know, my skin on my neck I feel like is just really, I don't know, it's an area that concerns me. I'll put it like that. So I'm excited to see if this will help with firming and tightening up my neck. I definitely am going to be using this in my skincare routine. I normally only shower once a day, except for in the summers I'll shower twice a day if it gets super hot. But I will be incorporating this in my skincare routine because I've gotten into the habit of washing my face and my neck with my skincare products. And again, this is a body oil, perfect for your arms, your neck, and your abdomen and all that stuff. So instantly I can feel how smooth my neck skin is now. I feel like my neck skin is more textured than my face skin. Maybe I need to do a better job putting sunscreen on it. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, I'm working on my whole entire body routine this year. I even have a little bit of back knee. I want to get that taken care of. So well, I see a difference already in my neck. Like the discoloration that I had blends more just because the texture is just way smoother. Now my neck, I feel like a minute ago it was not matching my face. Now my neck and my face have the same exact glow. All right, y'all, let's get into this little belly area. Me and this belly. By the way, I love these little type of leggings because they just snatch right on up, don't they? But yeah, let's get into this stomach area. I need to get my belly button re-pierced. That's what that hole is. Some of y'all know I had a open myomectomy and they took my belly button ring out and the hole closed up, and I just don't feel like going through and getting it re-pierced. And again, I'm just massaging it on. Get the upper parts. And speaking of, because I know somebody's gonna ask, yes, I will do an update on my myomectomy. I might even sit down after this and talk about it too, because I keep seeing people come back like, what, how are you now? Because it's been like a year since I've had it. So I will do an update on that. It's just something about this oil and the glow that it gives you. All right, tuck it back in, tuck it back in. All right, y'all, so this concludes my first impressions of the Sol de Janeiro Boom Body Oil. Right now, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. I will see how it goes through the day. I'm gonna do a comment and pin it and let you guys know how the moisture lasts. Again, it says to apply twice a day. So I'm hoping to get at least until the end of the night, keeping this glow. And I just like the fact that it looks like I'm glowing, but I don't look greasy. Sometimes you put some stuff on and you look greasy even though you're moisturized, but this looks like a nice, just supple, silky skin. So I'm really rocking with it. So initial impression is definitely a 10 out of 10. You can shop this product at Sephora. It's listed on the Sephora website as the, let's see, the Boom Firming and Debloating Oil. Debloating, cause y'all seen that little belly? Yeah, so I'll definitely pin a comment after I get this uploaded and let you guys know how my whole day experience went with the oil and when I reapplied it and whatnot. If you guys have any questions about the products, please let me know. Hit the comments. If you want to see some more products, drop it. I'm definitely going to be letting you guys know what I'm using on my body and skincare. I know I do a lot of hair care content, but I want to get more into like my skincare, my body care, and all that stuff. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.